In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your email posts look polished, on brand, and easy for readers to navigate. Start by opening your Substack dashboard from the top menu. Click on Settings in the left-hand sidebar, select Emails. This is where you manage how your newsletter looks when it lands in someone's inbox. Focusing here ensures your visual branding is consistent across every email you send. In the Emails section, look for the email header and footer area, then click Edit. This opens the editor that controls the content at the very top and very bottom of your email posts. Think of it as the frame around your message. The header sets the tone right away, and the footer wraps things up with helpful links and actions. Inside the editor, you can upload a banner image that will appear at the top of your emails. The recommended size is 1100 by 220 pixels. Ideally in PNG format. That extra wide 5:1 ratio keeps the design sleek and avoids awkward cropping in different inboxes. Choose a clear high-contrast image, your logo, brand colors, or a simple graphic that matches your style. Keep the file lightweight so emails load quickly. If your text or logo sits on the banner, make sure it's easy to read against the background. Next, customize the header text. This is a great place to introduce your newsletter in a sentence or two, or add a concise tagline that reminds readers what they'll get from each issue. Keep it short and friendly and write it as if you are welcoming someone back. Consistency helps. Try to use the same tone and phrasing across issues, so readers immediately recognize your voice. Now set up the footer. Use this space to guide readers to what matters after they finish reading. Add links to your social media profiles if you want people to follow along elsewhere. Include a link to your website for those who want to learn more. Make sure here is a clear unsubscribe option so readers can manage their preferences, and consider adding a simple share this post button or line to encourage forwarding and posting. Keep the footer tidy. Limit the number of links and use a short closing note to sound personable and professional. When you are happy with everything, save your changes. That's it. Your banner, header, and footer will now appear across your email posts, giving your newsletter a clean, cohesive look. Thanks for watching.